March was quite the interesting month. It's usually a roller coaster ride filled with wacky weather. Most of it was warm and most of it was wet. It was the second wettest March on record, 10.3 inches of rain, just shy of the record number one, so to speak. So what does the first few days of April entail? A little bit of some wacky spring weather like we typically see here in Hampton Roads. 70s for the first few days and then much cooler at the back half of the work week. Highs are going to be in the 50s with lows in the 30s and 40s towards the end of the week, but that comes with a lot of sunshine. Next few days, we have some rain chances to deal with, even a few thunderstorms in the forecast, but not during the daylight hours today. It's dry, just some increasing clouds. We'll get some sun here or there. Highs could potentially be in the upper 70s at times this afternoon. And I say that because with a stationary front setting up right along the 64 corridor on the peninsulas, we could briefly be in the 70s and then see those temps drop back down into the 60s. And we could have a spread where some of us will be in the 60s on the south side and 80s or close to 80 on the south side at the same time. So kind of some wacky temps going on for us for today and similarly tomorrow. Again, it's all thanks to the front that's to the north right now, providing a lot of rain up towards the Commonwealth of PA. But this is going to drop down ever so slowly throughout our day today. Switches the breeze, so it gives us that weird setup in our temperatures. And then later on tonight, throws us the scattered showers, couple downpours, maybe a rumble of thunder thrown into the mix as well. So one of those could wake you up because it could be either loud with some lightning or maybe some wind associated with it. So check in later on tonight with Don and Jeff. They'll have more on the more details on the expected shower and thunderstorm threat later on tonight. Now tomorrow, it's a very similar day, maybe just a little warmer and a little drier. The rain chances tomorrow evening, a lot more isolated or spotty compared to later on tonight. But our temperatures tomorrow are going to be even wackier than today. The warm section is going to be close to 80, if not in the low 80s. The cooler section will be in the 60s and maybe even upper 50s here. So big spread coming up on Tuesday, again, where that stationary front sets up right along the 64 corridor. Now, the front will slowly lift back to the north Tuesday afternoon, so we're all going to be really warm, or at least most of us going to be really warm. Then comes the parent cool front. We at home currently are dog sitting our friend's dog who is deployed. So we have 2 dogs in the house and a cat. Both dogs like to run around and play. And sometimes when they get out of hand, the cat has to come in and say, hey, calm down, settle down. That's what this cold front's going to do. So today, tomorrow, things kind of just acting a little bit weird, doing whatever they kind of want to do. Generally, still some nice weather. Then the parent comes in and says, hey, let's settle things down. That's the cold front on Wednesday. It's going to bring in some scattered showers and then settle our weather down for the back half of the week, which will be cooler, as we showed you earlier on. Tonight, after sunset, a few showers are close. Later on tonight, we have a few passing downpours and maybe, again, that rumble of thunder later on tonight. As we go into Tuesday, dry, just some passing clouds, warm. An evening shower should do, but that's going to be about it. Here comes the cold front on Wednesday. Scattered showers around the region and maybe a rumble of thunder again. Some of those could be on the stronger side before it's